Meaning of first generation.
First generation.
First generation.
First generation.
First generation. First generation typically refers to the initial version or iteration of a particular technology or product. It generally implies that subsequent versions have been developed and released since the first generation. In computing, for example, first-generation computers were vacuum tube-based devices built in the 1940s to 1950s, while first-generation video game consoles include the Atari 2600 and the Magnavox Odyssey. The term can also refer to the first individuals in a family or group, such as first-generation immigrants or first-generation college students.